I found the phones. We connected to intellects and we're propelled for the future. Video games, television, and phone calls, but even a system of growth and going out and really connecting your vibes to understand the real holidays like Valentine's and Christmas and Halloween through each every 9 lives. It just threw across all of them through Wikipedia to get here to a joint and just the feels. And then we got the peer pressure, but technology has to go back old school, but develop to. We're making a comeback. Mirror, mirror on the wall. I love the poetry, man. You know it. Yeehaw.